Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to upload documents in IFX Brokers. And we are right now in the dashboard, and if you want to upload documents, it's quite simple because we click on my profile. And then from my profile, we go to upload documents. And then right here, you have all the type of documents that you can upload. So you can select here proof of ID. I already verified myself, so it's fine. Proof of residence, you can upload that right here. You can upload a deposit verification. You can upload right here a banking verification. So if you select right here on bank statement, we can click here on browse to add something, and we can add right here proof of ID. So this is how you can upload documents in IFX Brokers. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.